Hello YouTube, Big Ford guy here again. I'm going to attempt another cold start on my 72. We tried it last time, it had no gas in it, but if you don't remember, it's this one right here. Right there, that's the puppy. That's the one. Tried to start it last time. Had do that, but before we get to that, before we get to the starting, I want to show you. I said I was going to put my motor together today into the 70 or 68, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is pouring like a mother sucker, and it's been doing that all day, all damn day. And there's a 68, which I put the motor to, but this is what I did on the motor today. Show you here. Got all the hoses on it, the little pieces, little ends to it. All the plugs are in it, so it's coming along. Got some pulleys for the front. I'll show you over here. Got some more pulleys back here drying. 1 second. My little garage, of course. And here are some of the other pieces for it. There's the vacuum plate. It goes in between the motor, which we got all painted up. The fan pulley. I don't know if you can see there or not. Turn a little light on. Hold on. That little fan pulley, got it all done. Got that all done. So I'm getting there slowly, but like I said, I couldn't do it today. So back to this. Yeah, I tried this last time. It didn't start. We had no gas. I actually put gas in it. So let's see if we can get a nice cold start out of her. Set the camera up for you guys. One minute, sorry. So let's see if we can get her started here. I'm going to adjust my camera. Apologize for that. There we go. So let's see if we can get a cold start. Get my gas. So remember last time tried this and it didn't work, but my starting box, best thing, one of the best things I ever bought. You don't got to be in the car to start it, but let's try it. We'll put some gas in her and let's see what she does. There she goes. She is running. Listen to it out the back a little bit, see what it sounds like back here. So yeah, she is running. I mean, I need to rebuild the motor, which I'm going to do, but yeah, that's how she sounds back here. 1 minute, guys. Oh, you hear that or not? Sorry about that hit thing, but that's how she runs. I'll be fixing her up soon. I have to weld the quarters back in and fix all this. But she does run. And she does run good. I got this going. The new motor going for me. The 71 doing. So I got 3 going on. So I'll have a lot more videos. This is Big Ford Guy saying I'll see you on my next video. Keep watching. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you very much.